If your sidewalks look like this around your office building, your storefront, your home, give us a call. We can make them look bright, like brand new, no matter what the condition, like this or like this over here. We can get it clean, clean, clean. And we're going to give you a 30-day guarantee on all of our cleaning. Okay, and if you stay here a second, I'm going to show you another issue that's going around lately, is burn marks like this. These are not just clean etchings. These are actual burn marks in the concrete, which you don't want, because once this is done like this, it's going to stay permanent, okay, no matter what. And when you clean it, within maybe like a week, it'll be dark again like this, and the lines will be prevalent, and there's nothing you can do about it. So give us a call. Under Pressure Power Wash, we cover all of South Florida, okay? 561-971-0235. You already know. Call a pro.